Hi everyone, this is George, product review guy here, back with another video. Today I'm doing a review video of a gimbal which I have bought and which I'm going to show you right after the intro. Right, on the front of this box we got the actual unit, we got the unit as well, we got the, tells us that's the Bluetooth and light there, and also the other one for taking pictures. Tells you when you take a picture, and you got your joystick, and also your power on, and then your mode as well, and you got your control up and down as well to make it go W, T, and W, and that's it. And then also I'm gonna open the box to show you what's inside it. Comes in a nice packaging. Got the instructions to tell you. Make sure you got it all correct as well. And also the little pamphlet as well. And then also I'm gonna show you where the page for the Wi-Fi is for the app. Got the barcode reader for that as well. Okay. Let's have a look in this box. Which it comes in a nice box with a nice picture of the unit being used, and also you can take it out like this, and then it's very nice and plastic, and they got the joysticks there. Got a joystick there as well, and the button, the power on button, and the mode button there. I told you before, and that's the light up there, and that one there. That's Bluetooth. That's the camera picture, and the camera button in the back there as well. So okay, and then that's the one for making it a bit more quicker and slower. Okay. And also, if it doesn't come with, sometimes it will come with feet as well to put it on, but then it didn't come with one, so I had to provide one perhaps. So okay, put it on like this, and then screw it up, and then just I might see if it might turn on. Actually, see if it might actually work, but okay. So let's see if it turn on. Let's see. It has nothing to put on weight on it, so it doesn't work. So, okay, it needs a phone in it, but we'll see. Alright, we'll show you how to work it. Right. Yeah. Alright. So this is how you put a phone into this cradle, and just make sure it lines up without touching your connectors on your volume knobs, and then put it in like that, and then make sure it goes down like that, and then turn it on by power on, and it should just reset it like that. And the green light comes on. You got the green light, see, and you got the blue light there for Bluetooth, which is actually pairing it up to the camera. So okay, and I can control it manually. So it goes like that way and go that way by controlling the joystick, and that's it. You can go up and down. Okay, and this is filmed with the gimbal. And this is the instruction manual book for the gimbal and for the app. Go to page number 13. Page number 13. You see, sorry, see there, and go put it right up to the camera. Get the camera up, scan it. There's the thing. There it is. And then say you want to go to that one, and then go straight to that one. Press that one, It'll load up very quickly. Go to open. I'll say you want the location. Is that one? Say yes. Okay. Scroll down. And that one should find the device. Give it a minute. There it is. It says that that's the device. And it should come on. And then you can scroll down, and then here's my dog, and that's it. Okay? Thank you for watching my videos, and I do like this product, and I highly recommend you should get one, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon until the next video drops, and the all button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.